Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to export Asana data to a CSV file, a handy feature that lets you store and manage your tasks offline. First up, log into your Asana account. It's critical to make sure you have the necessary access privileges to export the data. If you're not an admin, reach out to someone who is. Now that we're logged in, navigate to the project you want to export. The reason we do this is because Asana allows you to export data on a project-by-project basis, giving you greater control over what information you download. Next up, click on the Export option in the Project Actions menu. This helps us because it opens up the export options where we select CSV. Now, why CSV, you might ask? Well, a CSV file is a simple text file containing data separated by commas, which can be easily imported into programs like Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. Once you've selected CSV, click Export. Behind the scenes, Asana is now preparing your data for download. Depending on the size of your project, this might take a few minutes, but don't worry, Asana will send you an email with a download link once it's ready. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Asana data to a CSV file. Remember, this feature is super useful for archiving projects or when you need to work offline. Thanks for joining us today. Stay organized, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.